It's a Friday afternoon and there are a few things that I need to do for my daughter around the house, so let's do it. First things first, I have some squash cooking behind me for Kennedy just because I've already told you her favorite is butternut squash. I eat it too, so I always like to have some of that ready to go, prepped in the fridge, so I just needed to make another one of that. Okay, now I need to open up a package. Do you remember I was telling you guys that I bought some pajamas off of Poshmark for Kennedy? Well, they arrived. It is an Easter pair of little sleepies for Kennedy, and the best part is they look brand new and they were only like $10. So we need to get those washing. Second coffee of the day. To be completely honest, this coffee does not smell good. It was from that variety pack that I have of K-cups, so I think I'm gonna make another one. This one smells a tad bit better, but it's better, so I'm just gonna drink this one. Somebody is currently having some hidden veggie mac and cheese. Also, this creamer is really good. Told you guys about it the other day. It's really good. I saw on TikTok that when you get a pair of like used clothing or something, you should let it soak in warm soapy water before washing it. I don't know, but I'm gonna do it because that's what the people on TikTok told me to do. So, I've got my Easter little sleepies that I got on Poshmark, and I'm gonna fill my sink with some warm water. Adding in some detergent. Gonna let those do their thing. I'm actually going to get a load of her laundry in right now, and guess what showed up yesterday? The Winnie the Pooh collection little sleepies. So these obviously I did buy on their website. I did not pay like the crazy prices on Poshmark. I had my alarm set and I was ready to buy these when they launched them. So I got a pair for Kennedy in her new size, so 12 to 18 months. And I also got one for baby boy, size newborn. I am so excited. They're gonna match. They're gonna match, guys. Also, while I have her laundry here, these, you might have seen Kennedy wearing them a couple times now because this is like, I'm trying to get her to wear these as many times as possible because these are just so cute. It's Minnie Mouse, but they're like, you see like the waistband? These are from Gap. Okay, so I went to Gap just because one of our nephews, he's a little bit older than all the other kiddos, and Target didn't have his size. So I went into Gap just to get a gift for him, but then when I was in there, I saw those and I had to get them for Kennedy. This is our new washer machine. I don't know if you guys remember, but our washer machine broke a couple weeks ago, so we got a new one, and this one is so cool because Carl and I find it so cool. Like, I find him standing here, and also I find myself standing here watching our clothes wash. I don't know, it's just really cool to watch. There it goes! When we bought our house, we did not have any appliances here. We had to buy all the appliances ourselves, so we literally bought like the cheapest ones. So that's probably why our washing machine broke after just 4 years. I don't know. Also, no, I'm not from New Jersey. Carla's from New Jersey. All right, and now to clean this. Look at, she was pushing Igor around in her little Target cart. How cute is that? Kennedy loves books, and to be completely honest, I need to make a whole video about it. She doesn't even like when I read them to her. No, she just likes to go through the pages herself and likes to just rip them all off the bookcase. So that is what we do. And also too, I don't know if you guys remember, but these were always her favorite, these little crinkle books. She still loves them, but at nighttime now, like, she doesn't want to play with those. Like, before she goes to bed, she wants to play with a real book, which I just think is so cute. So we've been doing a lot of reading. Okay, now that we've got that all done, they're all clean. I promise you, they are all clean. So I want to hurry up and get these away because then when the ones that are in the laundry now finish, I'm gonna have to put those away. You guys always ask me about my vacuum. This is the one that I used to clean my car the other day. We use it all over the house. This is the Homika. It's from the TikTok shop. I will link it because, again, you guys are always asking. And I think it's on sale right now, so I'll leave the link here. And now I need to go and look at the menu for Texas Roadhouse because we're getting takeout and I'm so excited. but I have no idea what I want. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.